It all started with a text from my neighbor. Shiba to the moon, LOL. I quickly rushed to the charts to see what he was talking about, and surely enough, on the daily Shiba chart, it was to the moon. But in this video, I want to talk about why this is potentially so meaningful, not just for meme coins, but for the entire crypto space as a whole. What is up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Capital Venture. Hit the like on the way in and let's just jump into the video. Shiba to the moon, LOL. I mean, this just happened. This is my neighbor texting me. You know, I quickly went to the charts because I've been kind of taking a break from the charts. I wasn't even aware that it was moving in the first place, really. And then I go over here. Here's the daily chart hitting the 200-week moving average in red right there. Kind of from a technical analysis standpoint, a big deal. But this is a zoomed out video. This is a more important video. Taking a piece of data here that's happening and the momentum shift we see with SHIB and applying it to the entire crypto space. So 40% daily candle is a big deal. $1.5 billion enters SHIB's market cap in 24 hours as meme coin gains 22%. After experiencing significant price correction in 2022, interest in meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu is gaining momentum, recording increased capital inflow, passing AVAX, everybody. Passing AVAX. And it's saying this is a big piece of what I want to talk about. Not only has there been price correction for this meme coin, there's been price correction for all of cryptocurrency. Not only has there been price corrections and bear markets, you and I have been living through the bear market, there has been just this decreased interest in cryptocurrency. As we have this momentum shift and we're making our way through the bear market, we're looking to really kind of take different data points that might give hints, that might give clues into the momentum shift. These are momentum shifts that we've seen historically on midterm charts, on zoomed out charts, applying to midterm moves or macro cycle moves. And that's what we're doing here in this video. So here's actually a nice picture of Shiba Inu interest on the Google Trends. This is 12 months. This was an October 2021 all-time high, right? And you can see this is the reflection of a bear market. This is what it looks like. We're almost a year later here. Now, this is a 12-month graph. This is a 7-day graph with this potential momentum shift happening. Now, this picture, this reflection, all happening, if we go to the weekly chart, alongside this potential weekly momentum shift. It's a cycle shift. And these things take time to play out, right? There's a lot that goes into the technical analysis aspect of what's happening here. However, one thing is sure, there is a gaining interest in not only Shiba, but crypto as a whole. As of August 14th, SHIB's market capitalization stood at 8.49 billion, gaining by 1.53 billion in the last 24 hours. Let's go down here. After a faltering first half of 2022, SHIB showed signs of recovery that began in July, with the gains correlating with the overall market, which has been trading in the green zone in recent weeks. Here's another reason I want to do this video, is because this happened before. And these are the types of things that happen within the cryptocurrency market. And whether you own this coin or not, it does not matter. We have to pay attention to all of these data points as they're happening. So check this out. This is Bitcoin back here. 2021 going into September 2021 going into October of 2021 to that all-time high. Now, when this was happening, right? This is end of September, boom. This is September, this is October 1st, right as Bitcoin's kind of taking off. Right as that's happening, we go over here to a SHIB chart and check it out. Here is October 1st, right here. Right as Bitcoin started moving, look at this, look at these gains on Shiba, right? With some consolidation, pulled back into the 20-day moving average and then continued liftoff. So I just want to note something on this chart. This big daily candle, I mean, look, this is a total daily candle of like, it's like 70, 80%. That was just the beginning of it, right? That was just starting. And here's what it looks like on the weekly chart. Now, there are some things that are a little bit different here. This was in a bull market environment, right? Now we're in this environment, we're in this bear market formation, and it's kind of, again, we're waiting for this momentum shift. But this is a big reflection. I've talked about, and I just did a video on this the other day, you might have seen, trillions of dollars getting ready to enter the crypto market. We often talk about the institutional demand and the institutional inflow that's going to happen within crypto and how big that will be. But it's also at the same time extremely important to track what is going on with retail. And meme coins really are, I think, a really big part of that. Meme coins in general have appeared to lose appeal among investors, with a lack of significant use cases cited as a major reason. But this goes on to talk about, guess what? Google Trends and everything that we just tracked on there, right? Now, here's the thing. This article continues. Between June and July, SHIB added over 20,000 new investors as interest returned to the DeFi assets. Now, what does that mean? Why are retail investors, why are 20,000 new investors returning to this coin? And I think a large part of it has to do with the mental aspect of what we see going on in crypto. And not only crypto, everybody, it's really the mental aspect of what's happening across the headlines in traditional and equity markets. We see this kind of numbing to what is happening with inflation and the rising interest rates. The anticipation of it all is kind of, I think, worked into the emotionality of the market. And it's also reflected here on this chart. This is the crypto fear and greed index. This is, look at this, 47. It was just last month. So we're neutral now. It was just last month we were sitting at extreme fear 15. There's a shift happening. And this is not to say that crypto is out of the bear market. When we look at this chart, this could be a very volatile ride making our way out of the bear market. You know, whether it looks something like this and we're coming back down to test lows, but the momentum shift has begun in the bear market formation. And the momentum shift from a mental perspective has truly begun. And this coin is a reflection, is one piece of data. And there are so many different pieces of data that reflect this. Right now, you can go over to Twitter and you see the SHIB rockets. You see the hype. You see that narrative building, the bullish momentum narrative building, not only in Shiba, but in crypto markets in general. And these are the types of things, if you've been through previous cycles, these are precisely the exact same things that lend itself, that really cause markets to shift. Markets really are all mental. And after bear markets like this, and after huge consolidations and resets like this, right now we're starting to see the beginning hints of that momentum shift. Wanted to track this data, whether you're a SHIB holder or not. It does not matter. The data is extremely important, everybody. So let's continue paying attention. Let's continue tracking the interests of the crypto space as crypto continues to try and escape above, separate itself from that $1 trillion market cap, maybe heading back towards $1.5 trillion, $2 trillion. Time will tell. We'll keep tracking it. I appreciate you coming by. Hit that subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome week. God bless.